Look at that.
Let's go.
I'm gonna make another video today, but this time I am gonna swap the cluster for the STI cluster. So I've been watching videos and it's like people say like, oh, you have to cut a wire. Other people say it's plug and play. This one right here comes out of 2004. This is a 2004. I hope it's straight plug and play. You know, if you guys maybe want to get a cluster yourself and see if it's doable, I'm gonna see that on this video. I'm gonna install it. We'll see what happens. And there's gonna be one, two. They're gonna be fill-up heads. So I got two of these. Let's see which one fits. I'm gonna start taking it out. Take those screws out. This is just gonna pop right out. Now you're gonna have 1, 2, 3 bolts. Mine are already out. Took them out already. And this is just gonna come out. There's gonna be 3 clips. 1 for this, 2 for this one, and 3 for this one. There's gonna be 3 clips. You just clip them out. No problem. So you just press this in. It pops right out. Same with these ones over here. These wires out. Not too hard. Maybe this one was a little bit too hard, just the way it's angled. And I'm looking at it. See if it looks the same. It looks exactly the same for what I'm looking at. So we'll see what happens. Oh my god, it's gonna look good. Hopefully this works out. It's a little hard to record and do this. Sorry guys. Last clip. Bam. And let's try it. No problem. Put the plastics on. Look at that. Looks good. Ooh. I don't know what that is. Everything works. Good. Straight plug and play, guys. Works and everything, because people were saying that. Obviously, that's not gonna be working because you know this car portion doesn't have it. But yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm finished with the video. Obviously, you know, leave a like if this helped you out. Maybe comment. It help a lot. Subscribe. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. All right, so after about 5 minutes, honestly, I noticed. Everything, the plus side, everything works, right? RPMs works, speedometer works, fuel gauge works, everything works on this. All this stuff works, right? But the only thing is, where the clock was, that part of the electricity is off. You know, this is off, all this stuff is off. So I'm gonna have to make a part 2, you know, how to fix that problem. I'm gonna go to my neighbor, he knows a lot about wiring, he's gonna teach us. And yeah.